Oh God, no. No, 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 no.
Dallas, Texas. A monster beach ball is on the loose. It looks like Godzilla has lost his beak. This world record-breaking ball is a massive 36 feet in diameter. Look out below!
I thought they were going to be crushed. Seriously.
How long does it take to blow this thing up?
The way the ball falls is weird. It looks like it's falling in slow motion.
So why is it more of a floating ball than a wrecking ball?
The ball falls, of course, because gravity is pulling it down. But there's another force acting opposite to the direction of motion, and that's pushing up. And that's the drag force.
The amount of drag is determined by the size and shape of the object. And in general, the bigger the object, the more drag it has through the air. Large objects tend to have a lot of weight to them, so they have enough force to overcome the drag. But the beach ball is just filled with air. So there's no real mass to it, so it doesn't have enough force to overcome its own drag.
And that's why it looks like it's floating down onto the crest.
Let's bounce on to number 14. This is German Olympic cyclist Robert Fürstemann. These are his 30-inch thighs.
Whoa.
With thighs like that, sure.
Someone like Robert, who is a sprint cyclist.
Robert's cycling through the pain barrier.
I love when it's making that noise.